Ever wondered how complex parts and objects around us are made with such precision? Welcome to the world of machining, a pivotal process that shapes the world as we know it. This behind-the-scenes hero is responsible for crafting everything from the smallest screw to the largest aircraft parts. It's the art and science of shaping raw materials into precise parts and components. Machining is a cornerstone of countless industries, from automotive to aerospace, medical to manufacturing. It's an intricate dance of cutting, drilling, milling, and turning, performed with precision and consistency. Did you know that the precision of machining can be as small as a few micrometers? That's smaller than a strand of human hair. With the aid of cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship, machining brings to life the intricate parts that power our world. Now that you know what machining is, you're probably curious about its intricacies. Let's dive deeper. Have you ever considered the level of precision involved in machining? It's time to delve deeper into this fascinating world and explore the extraordinary precision of machining tools. Precision, in the realm of machining, is not just about creating parts that fit together. It's about creating parts that fit perfectly, down to the tiniest of measurements. And when we say tiny, we mean mind-bogglingly small. The precision of some machining tools rivals that of the width of a human hair. To put that into perspective, the average human hair is about 75 micrometers wide. Now, imagine a machining tool that can maintain tolerances as small as a few micrometers. That's the world of precision machining. A world where the tiny details matter, and precision is the key to perfection. This level of precision isn't just for show either, it's a crucial aspect of many industries and applications. For instance, in the aerospace industry, the parts used in aircraft and spacecraft must be produced with extreme precision. Even the slightest deviation from the required specifications can have serious consequences. Similarly, in the medical field, the components used in life-saving devices like pacemakers or insulin pumps need to be perfect down to the micrometer. The same goes for the automotive industry, where precision is key to producing high-performing, reliable vehicles. This precision isn't achieved by chance. It's the result of continuous advancements in machining technology. Today's machining tools are designed to maintain precision, despite external factors like heat and pressure, ensuring that the part being produced meets the exact specifications every single time. So the next time you marvel at a finely crafted object, remember the precision of machining that made it possible. Whether it's a sleek sports car, a state-of-the-art medical device, or a high-tech spacecraft, behind every perfectly crafted part is a world of precision machining, where tiny details make a big difference. So, what's the secret behind the efficiency and accuracy of modern machining? Well, let's dive into it. The revolution of computer numerical control, or as we call it CNC, has completely transformed the world of machining. It's like an artist with a brush, but instead of creating beautiful paintings, we are crafting precision parts with unmatched accuracy. CNC is a method where pre-programmed computer software dictates the movement of factory tools and machinery. It's like having a blueprint that your tools can follow to the T, reducing the chances of human error to almost negligible. Imagine the precision. A CNC machine can move to positions within a few thousandths of an inch. That's less than the thickness of a human hair, and repeat this motion over and over again. The beauty of CNC doesn't stop there. It's not just about accuracy, it's also about efficiency. CNC machines can work tirelessly around the clock, only needing to stop occasionally for maintenance. That's like having an army of robotic craftsmen working on your project, ensuring that it's completed on time and to the highest standards. And talk about versatility. With CNC, you can machine almost any material and create any shape that can be represented in 3 dimensions. From intricate gears for watches to large components for aircraft, CNC machines can do it all. Moreover, the advent of multi-axis CNC machines has opened up new dimensions of complexity that were previously unimaginable. These machines can move in more than 3 axes, allowing for even more intricate and precise machining. The revolution of CNC in machining has made it possible to produce complex and precise parts that were once regarded as impossible. It's like we've been given a magic wand that can transform a block of metal into a work of art with a simple wave. So, the next time you see a piece of machinery, remember the revolution that CNC brought to the machining industry. It's not just about cutting and shaping, it's about creating with precision, efficiency, and creativity. With CNC, the possibilities in machining are virtually limitless. Did you know machining isn't limited to just metals? It's a common misconception, but the truth is far more fascinating. Machining is a versatile process that can shape a wide range of materials. Let's start with the classics, metals. From the robustness of steel to the lightweight nature of aluminum, metals offer diverse properties that can be tailored through machining to suit various applications. But metals are just the beginning. Plastics, with their impressive resistance to corrosion and high strength-to-weight ratio, are also commonly machined. They are used in industries ranging from healthcare to automotive, making them an integral part of our everyday lives. And let's not forget wood. Yes, even wood can be machined. With its natural beauty and unique characteristics, wood is often machined to create intricate designs and bespoke items. So it's clear to see that machining isn't confined to a single material. Machining truly is a versatile process, capable of shaping a myriad of materials. Ever wondered how unique, custom-designed parts are made? Well, the answer lies in the awe-inspiring world of machining. As technology has advanced, so too has the ability to create parts tailored to precise specifications. This is where customization in machining comes into play. No longer are we bound by a one-size-fits-all approach. With modern machining, we can create parts that fit like a glove, meeting the unique requirements of various industries. Think about the tiny, intricate components in medical devices or the massive, robust parts used in aerospace applications. These aren't off-the-shelf items. They are custom designed to perform specific functions, meeting exacting standards of precision and reliability. The ability to customize has opened up a world of possibilities, bringing concepts to life and fueling innovation across diverse fields. So remember, behind every unique component, there's a story of customization in machining. With advancements in machining, customization has become a reality. So, how do you view the world of machining now? From the precision of crafting parts smaller than a human hair, to the revolution brought by computer numerical control, we've seen just how intricate and influential machining really is. We've discovered that it's not limited to metals like steel and aluminum, but also extends to plastics and even wood. We've learned that the realm of machining is not restricted to standard designs, but it also allows for custom-made parts based on precise specifications. Whether it's a tiny component in a medical device or a massive part for an aerospace application, machining is at the heart of it all. These surprising facts have given us a glimpse into the hidden world of machining, a world that's constantly evolving and shaping our everyday lives in ways we might not even realize. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of machining. Don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing content.